It's Monday today, and I'm going to share with you how I start my day cleaning every Monday because, as you know, I don't have any more housekeeper. I just love having the house to myself, for your information, and I don't know why I just derive happiness, joy, just to do things myself, my way, and knowing what is what, where is what is where, things like that. So now I'm going to share with you for the first time cleaning my house. When I say cleaning my house, not the whole house, whatever it is that at that moment I decided to clean. Since it's Monday, I'm going to just tidy up my desk here in the bedroom, in my own bedroom. Oops. And what else? Anyway, I'll share with you. So this is just a mixture of water, baking soda, and dishwashing liquid, just very little, to use for any dusting places to be clean. That's all. That's what I do. I don't buy anything from the supermarket. I just make it myself, and I'm sure you've seen already in other YouTubers. My writing desk is my laptop, all this little pending stuff, and some blank papers, which I have already in my desk, of course, outside, but I like to have them all in my bedroom so that whenever I have something, or I want to write something, or I want to do something, they're all here available, complete. Whereas outside is much more for decor, even though it's very functional. But to sit there with the laptop facing the window, it's glary, so it's not that practical. So let me clean here one by one and just organize in such a way that is functional, easy on the eye, and make it looking much neater and streamlined. Because here, look at that, I still have my old iPhone, which still works, but I don't know whether they still have this kind of SIM card for this kind of iPhone. Is there? I don't know. I haven't checked. Look at that. DVD player, all kind of things. So let me just concentrate now. The proper dressing table. All right, this is like a desk for an office, but I use it as a dressing table. When I have extra money, then I'll buy a proper one that goes better with the style of this the furniture that I have. So look at this, still old laptop. I'm very functional minded person. Lost the audio here, so let me just use voiceover. Mind you, I took this video already some time ago, and I forgot to make it a vlog and share it on this channel. So this is the routine that I do every week. I would have loved to do it every day, but also because of the heat, I just can't cope. Even 3 times a week, perhaps twice a week, that's doable. But I think here I'm explaining the way I compartmentalize things. First I dust it off, but now I have the portable vacuum cleaner, which helps a great deal. It doesn't function 100% in the terms of suction,
but at least it helps a little bit. So I don't have to use duster since I just abhor dusts. You can give me something to iron or give me something to wash the dishes, but don't ask me to dust anything. Dust is not my friend at all. So here's the spray that I use on the microfiber, and then after the dusting off the table or any objects there, then I wiped it with this solution of water, vinegar, and dishwashing liquid. Very, very economical. You don't have to buy those in the supermarket that have chemical ingredients in it. So I'm very, very glad that also all this is under my control. I know exactly where I clean. I don't have to rely on people that perhaps doesn't clean thoroughly. Honestly, if it were not hot, I would do so many things in this house, including doing the gardening, including learning how to make anything from wood, which interests me so much. But due to the humidity especially, it's not doable for me. I think I'm gonna just keep them downstairs. My recipe book from Milan, decades age. It's so old. I hardly use it now because you can find everything on YouTube. But my laptop is already here, and this one to recharge my phone. So the laptop is here. This one is pending thing, and receipts that I received from buying food, etc., to put in the plastic, and then I sorted it in my file for specific months. So let me just sweep here, even though I did already, but I sweep again. And Indonesian, they don't do the housework themselves because here we have a lot of labor to do that. But since I've given up my housekeeper, and I realized that this house actually is very easy to clean, easily under control. So normally when you buy a dustbin bag, you buy like this and you put it right away, right? Like this, right? Like that. No. Hence for the sewing side of this dustbin bag, you put it like this. You put it like this instead. Alright, you put it like that. So the edge of this bag is inside the dustbin, not outside. And it's also easy to place it in the dustbin. There, it's nice and at least neat, right? Proper, clean and tidy.